Facts World presents Brain Food is real. Here's what to eat to keep it healthy and strong. As parents, we all want our children to thrive and reach their full potential, and providing them with a healthy diet is an essential part of achieving that goal. But did you know that certain foods can specifically support your child's brain development and cognitive function? According to neuroscientist and author Lisa Mosconi, our brains literally run on nutrients, and providing our children with the right nutrients can help their brains grow and function optimally. One critical period for brain growth and development is early childhood. During the first few years of life, a child's brain is rapidly sprouting neurons, and proper nutrition is essential for this process. Overall, scientists have identified around 45 nutrients that are key to brain health, including protein, zinc, iron, choline, folate, iodine, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, and omega-3 fatty acids. Of course, getting kids to eat these nutrients can be a challenge, especially when it comes to less palatable options like dark leafy greens. But there are plenty of delicious and kid-friendly foods that can provide the brain-boosting nutrients your child needs. Berries, for example, are a great source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps neutralize free radicals that can damage our DNA and cells. Vitamin C is also important for the formation of neurotransmitters, the chemicals used for signaling in the nervous system. Plus, berries are naturally sweet and can be easily incorporated into snacks and meals. Plums are another brain-boosting fruit, as they contain tryptophan, an essential amino acid linked to the neurotransmitter serotonin, which helps regulate mood. Sweet potatoes are also a great option, as they are rich in vitamin A, which is crucial for general brain health and development. When it comes to fats, it's important to choose the right kind. Omega-3 fatty acids, and specifically DHA, are essential for building nerve cells and promoting healthy brain growth and development. Cold water fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of DHA. Of course, simply knowing which foods to eat is only half the battle. Getting kids to actually eat them can be a challenge. Mosconi recommends starting early and introducing healthy foods from the beginning. If kids are used to eating healthy foods, they are less likely to resist them as they get older. And there are plenty of creative ways to prepare brain-boosting foods that kids will enjoy, such as dipping berries in yogurt or dark chocolate, making sweet potato tots, or serving grilled fish tacos. In conclusion, providing your child with a diet rich in brain-boosting nutrients is a simple yet effective way to support their cognitive development and overall health. With a little creativity and patience, you can introduce your child to a variety of healthy and delicious foods that will help them reach their full potential.